hello together today with another technical mission. So I have another notebook here today. It's a Lenovo T450S. So I'm going to make a BIOS backup today, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the back cover. So it's very easy. You have here some screws, as you can see. So remove them and you're able to get off the back cover. So it's very easy. So after you remove the screws, you can easily remove this back cover here, as you can see. So what is nice in this design is the back cover is not cheap quality stuff, so it's very very stable, and it's a very thin metal stuff here. So and the screws are not going out completely, as you can see, so they're still inside, because on the back side there is the stuff which are holding the screws. So this is very cool because you can't lose the screws with this type of design, and you don't need to collect them and to put them to the side, you know. So you can spend a lot of money with that, because sometimes you have problems when you are losing them, and then you need to search them, and yeah, that all happens now with this kind of models. So okay, now we see the back cover. Here is the BIOS battery, so it's important that you get off the cable when you make a BIOS update or BIOS backup, that the BIOS chip is without any power source, you know. So here you can see that BIOS chip is placed below this tape here. So to get better to the BIOS chip and to work on them, you can secure this black tape here with your own tape, and now, as you can see, you have access to the BIOS battery, the BIOS chip, sorry. So it's a windbound model. I cannot see it exactly here, maybe without a little bit more light. So yeah. Okay, so there's the BIOS chip, and now you can see the number a little bit better, as you can see here. So 25012BF V5, I get at the end it's a C. So now you need the BIOS flash programmer and a second notebook or a second computer to read to read the BIOS with the programmer tool. So you have to connect the pins with the USB programmer, and then you are able to read it. So that's all for today. Let me know if you want to see more technical missions, and see you soon in another video. Write in the comments what do you want to see. Have a nice day. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Bye.